Hello, welcome. I'm Professor Vilmer, creator of Studio Polyzine, the studio behind these games you're watching, Master Math Cards. And today I'm going to teach you how I made these games in just 1 week. To create a game very quickly and without needing to know absolutely anything about programming, you need to use ClickPoint Studio. That's how I created my games. I've already put them up for sale, and I'll continue creating more. The games are based on videos, so you only need to know how to create videos. Here you will find several buttons to insert your video. To select the area where it will be clicked, it's the checkpoint. Then you save the checkpoint. There are buttons to export and import files, in case you can't finish everything on the same day. And there's also the Export HTML button. It will generate an HTML game. This is ClickPoint Studio Pro. It already comes with the option to generate files for Android, unlike the free version. The Pro version has no ads, no watermarks, and no file size limitations when generating files. But in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to create HTML game using the free version, as promised. So, the first thing you need is a video. Upload it into the editor. Press play on the video, and when the time is right, click on Select Area, then click the button next to it, Save, and you're done. When someone clicks in this area, the video continues. If they click anywhere else, it's game over. You can edit, allowing more or less time for the player to click. So, just repeat the same process until the end of the video. Create the clickable areas consecutively. I'll increase the video speed so it doesn't get too long. But that's all. No programming required. Just select the area, save, and proceed. Okay, I've almost done everything. Now I'm doing the last checkpoint. You can see the quantity in settings. You can edit and delete it. Now go to Test Game and check if it's working the way you want. I'm going to click outside to see if it gives game over. Okay, now I'll test it until the end. Test successful. Now just save it as HTML. ClickPoint Studio will generate 2 files, one HTML file and 1 copy of the video. You can use the original video or rename this one with the original video's name. The important thing is to place the HTML and the video in the same folder. Now that you have combined the two files into a folder, I recommend changing the HTML name to index. Now that you have combined the two files into a folder, I recommend changing the HTML name to index. Okay, your game is ready. You can play and send it to your friends. If you create a game, leave the link in the comment. I'm going to love playing. If you want to learn how to create games for Android using ClickPoint Studio, I'll leave links in the description. Bye and until next time.